Final Destination is back. Panoorin natin ang trailer. Ooh. Grabe, kabataan ko to. Naku, mamamatay siya. Alam ko na. Ooh, aray. Sa nose piercing pa. I love how like Final Destination shows how small things lead to the kamatayan of the person. Aray, di ba pwede tanggalin? Oops. Grabe, ito yung nag-traumatize sa akin ng kabataan ko, yung Final Destination movie franchise. Ah! Di ba yung magse-separate lang kaagad? Ay! Ay! Oh! That was Final Destination Bloodline. So yung mga anak yata nung mga previous characters ng Final Destination ang gaganap dito. So ang Final Destination, yung mga tao nakasurvive sila ng aksidente, ng trahedya. Pero meant to die sila. Kaya kamatayan will haunt them. So they're gonna have tragic deaths. Like what happened to that guy with the nose piercing. Sa mga kabataan dyan na hindi napanood ang Final Destination, panoorin nyo para matrauma rin kayo, though na na-trauma kami when we were young watching the movie franchise. Final Destination 1 to 5. Kahit takot ako magpa-eye laser surgery at takot mag-roller coaster.